What's up, YouTube? Today I want to make a quick video on how to replace the hard drive on a PlayStation 3. This is the fat version. Okay, if you're looking straight at it, it will be on your left hand side. There's a little slot right here. Clip it open, and there it goes. This is the hard drive. Get a screwdriver and you take it out. This is how you replace it. The little tab right here, try to pull it. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Pull this tab and your hard drive comes out. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them off. Fourth one. Hard drive just slide right out. You have your other hard drive. And you screw it on. It's not too hard to replace it. Once you put it in, it will format by itself. You put delete format. It's the last one. That's about it. Your hard drive is on. Now you come, slide it in, lock it in, put your final screw, put your cover on, and your hard drive is switched. Now I will have a 320 gig hard drive, and the original is 40 gigs. So now it's all set. Your your PlayStation is ready to go. And that's about it. Plug it on, do all the settings by itself, and you're all set. Well, YouTube, thanks. Hope you like my video. Like and subscribe. We'll have more electronic things and so on and so on. Thanks. Like and subscribe.